In this video, I'll guide you through how to review and save a bill in Bill.com. Whether you're new to Bill.com or just looking for a refresher, this tutorial will make the process straightforward and easy to follow. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Bill.com account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which serves as the command center for all your billing activities. Now, let's get started on reviewing a bill. Begin by double-checking the key fields against your physical invoice. This is crucial because accuracy here ensures that your records are reliable and that payments are made correctly. Start with the vendor name. Make sure that the artificial intelligence system has correctly matched this to the right supplier profile card in your directory. If you're dealing with a brand new supplier, don't worry. You can easily add them by clicking on Add New Vendor, which allows you to build their profile card in line. This feature is particularly handy as it saves time and keeps everything organized within the system. Next, move on to the invoice number. This is a critical piece of information because it's essentially the bill's unique identifier. Confirm that the sequence tracking code matches what's on the bill stub exactly. This step helps prevent any mix-ups or duplicate entries, ensuring that each transaction is correctly logged and traceable. After verifying the invoice number, check the invoice date. It's important to ensure that this date reflects the creation date on the invoice, not today's date. The invoice date is key for accounting purposes and helps schedule payments accurately. Now, let's talk about payment terms and due date. This is where you'll select the vendor's agreed terms, such as net 30, which means payment is due within 30 days from the invoice date. Once you select the payment terms, Bill.com will dynamically recalculate the exact payment deadline based on your selection. This automatic calculation is a helpful feature that minimizes human error and ensures you're always aligned with the vendor's expectations. Once you've thoroughly reviewed all these fields and confirmed that everything is correct, it's time to save the bill. With everything double-checked and verified, you can confidently proceed to the next step. Simply click the Save button, and your reviewed bill will be stored in the system, ready for the next phase of processing, such as approval or payment. Congratulations, you've successfully reviewed and saved a bill in Bill.com. This simple yet crucial process ensures that your billing records are accurate and up-to-date, which is essential for maintaining good financial practices and vendor relationships. Remember, taking the time to double-check these details helps streamline your workflow and avoids potential issues down the line. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials just like this one. See you in the next video.